Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one divided by y. So we have 2x plus 1 over y. Y divided by y squared, we have 1 over y. Now, I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only this one, and we have negative 1 over y squared. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we just have only this one, and we have negative 1 over y squared. We see that this one and this one, they are the same. That is about exact. Now, we need to set up about the function fsy. fsy equals to the integration. So I will select about this one plus 3sy. So the integration of 2x, we have s squared. This one we have s over y. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have negative s over y squared. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify negative s over y squared for the both sides. Next, we need to integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fsy. fsy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.